Top of the muffin, foodies! Welcome back to another flavor-filled episode of Earth to Rocco. Today we're gonna make some super delicious banana muffins. My family has a craving for banana bread today, but I realized that I don't have a bread tin. How? I don't know. But I do have a muffin tin, hence the banana muffins. Bananas are great because they're not only a natural sweetener, but they're also a great binder for recipes like this, meaning that we don't have to use egg or egg substitutes. Today I'm making my banana muffins with some chocolate chips, but you can also use nuts or dried fruits. Or just make them plain. It's still really good. And let me tell you, muffin compares to these muffins. Lego.
Lego my muffin.
Lego my muffin.
I don't know if you heard the commercial, Lego my ego.
Okay, let's start. Right now I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So first I'm gonna start by undressing my bananas in a mixing bowl. You want to try to use bananas that are really ripe or overripe. So now we're going to mash them up. The reason we use really ripe or overripe bananas is because they're sweeter and softer.
They're dead now.
You want to make sure to mash them up good. You don't want clumps. Okay. So to my bananas, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using unsweetened soy milk. 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter, 3/4 of a cup of organic white sugar, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. With my masher, I'm going to mix these all up. Now that the wet ingredients are mixed, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can also use a gluten-free flour if you're looking for a gluten-free option. We'll now add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Oh, and let's not forget to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now I'm going to mix this all together with a wooden spoon. Make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl as you go. That tastes so good. Now I'm gonna put in some plant-based chocolate chips. You can put as much as you like. I like to put a lot. You can use anywhere from 1/2 cup to a cup. This batch should make 12 medium-sized muffins. I've lined a 12-slot muffin tray with 12 baking cups. I sprayed the baking cups with cooking oil to make them easier to peel off the muffins. So now with a 1/4 cup measuring cup, I'm going to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to add the batter to the liners. Oh no, whatever will I do with this extra batter? Now that our baking cups are filled, we're going to add some extra chocolate chips. Can never have enough. And just to make these extra fancy, I'm going to add a walnut on top. Now they're ready to bake. Bake them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden on top and a toothpick comes out clean. Let them rest in the tray for about 5 minutes before serving. Now for my favorite part. These are just perfect. The mixture of banana and chocolate with that hint of cinnamon is a flavor explosion that'll keep you coming back for more. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make these banana muffins from scratch. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with my latest vegan recipes. Head on over to earthtoroco.com for ingredients and instructions for today's banana muffins and more. Until next time.